Hello everyone, welcome to Best One channel. In today's video, we will discuss the top 5 dual action auto polisher. Please subscribe to the channel, click the bell icon, and many thanks to those who have already subscribed. If you like the video, don't forget to like and comment. Let's get started with the video. Item number 5 in our list is Max 21mm Car Polisher. Specifications. Brand name, Detrius. Model number, R7171. Power source, AC. Wheel diameter, 150mm. Rated input power, 710 watts. Frequency, 50-60 Hz. Rated voltage, 120 to 240 volts. Weight, 3 kilograms. Item number 4 is Dual Action Auto Polisher. Specifications. Brand name, Auto Care. Material, ABS. Power input, 700 watts. Voltage, 220 to 110 volts. Polishing orbits, 1000 to 3800 RPM. Disc diameter, 150 mm, 6 inches. Eccentricity, 21 mm. Coed length, 3 m. Speed range, 1,3800 RPM. As the item number 3 we've selected, SPTA 18V 5-inch Cordless Car Polisher. Specifications. Brand name, SPTA. Speed range, 2000 to 4500 RPM. Applicable wheel diameter range, 6 inch. Material, plastic and metal. Weight, 4.26 kilograms. Item number 2 is Batoka S2 Cordless Car Polisher. Specifications. Brand name, Batoka. Speed stall, 6. Speed range, 2000 to 4500 RPM. Applicable wheel diameter range, 5 inches, 125 millimeters. Brush include brushless. Battery capacity, 5.0 Ah. Weight, 1.3 kilograms. On the top of our list at number 1 we have SPTA Dual Action Polisher. Specifications. Brand name, SPTA. Rated input power, 750 watts. Speed stall, 6. Speed range, 1000 to 3800 RPM. Polisher, Dual Action Polisher. Orbit, 15 mm. Polisher size, 5-inch 125 millimeters. No load speed, 1000-3800 R/min. Warranty, 12 months. Weight, 3 kgs.
Alright guys, that's all for now. If you enjoyed this video, please go ahead and leave a like. Be sure to check out the description for links to find the most up-to-date pricing and all the products mentioned in this video. If you're new to the channel, subscribe. Hope you all have a great day and we'll see you back here soon.